Hey YouTube, this is the Canada Goose Macculloch unboxing. It looks as though Canada Goose are using a new box for 2017-2018. So this new box, basically magnetic. Got all of the details here, warranty card and such like. To the coat itself. Obviously it's got big pockets down at the bottom here, which just unbutton. You also got a pocket to the side with a fleece hand warmer on each side of that is. On the top pocket you've got both a hand warmer as well as an internal pocket on this side. On this side you've got another pocket for things. That's the same on that side as well. Either side here you've got basically when you're sitting down in a car, you can unzip the side of the coat. If you're walking about and you want to get into your trouser pockets and such like, just unzip it from the top. And you've got the double zips that you can zip it on either top or bottom on the actual coat. Inside, obviously, you've got the duck down, got the official tags. Obviously, I've only just got this. You've got an internal secure pocket there with no zip. On the other side here, you've got one which has got a zip. Got the pull tabs for the waistline to pull it in. You've got a drop pocket here, and also on that side. Basically, if you get caught in the snow, someone can get hold of these and pull you out. There's also the Canada Goose logo on the back. Unlike other Parkas from Canada Goose, it hasn't got the tag here to tighten up the hood, because there's a fairly deep hood. But you've got these new versions on how to sort of change the depth of the hood. Basically you just pull the big bit to tighten, and there's also a lock on there, so if you pull on the little bit, that releases it. But other than that, it holds quite tight. You also got a popper here for the coyote fleece if you want to attach that back. Obviously you mould this because there's a wire in there around your face. Got a ring on there so you can hook your keys on and such like. I did wear it briefly this morning, so this is the second time I've had it out of the box. Feels very thick. Obviously I live in the UK, so hopefully that'll be overkill. I'm about 5'10", 5'11", weighing in at sort of about 12 stone, which is about 168 pounds, and it fits perfectly. That's the medium version of the coat. I almost forgot to mention also in the box that you get, for the money that you pay, you get a free Canada Goose coat hanger, which is very nice. You also get get a storage bag, which is also fairly nice if you're going out anywhere or going away somewhere. Got all the logo on there and such like. Anyway, thanks very much. See you later. Bye.